Frizzy hair ruining your look? Wait, don't reach for that serum just yet. What I'm about to show you works at home and leaves your hair salon-smooth without spending a fortune. And hey, if you want more insider beauty tricks like this, hit subscribe right now, because what's coming in the next few seconds might just change your hair game forever. Most people fight frizz the wrong way. They pile on product after product and make it worse. The truth? The fix starts before you even style. Step 1. Ditch the harsh shampoos. They strip your hair, leaving it desperate for moisture. Instead, use a hydrating, sulfate-free cleanser. I'll tell you the one key ingredient to look for in just a moment. Step 2. A quick cold water rinse. It seals the cuticle, locks in moisture, and instantly reduces frizz. Think of it like closing the door on humidity. Now, here's where the magic happens. A DIY mask that gives you glassy, runway shine. And no, it's not coconut oil. It's something smoother, richer, and it's sitting right in your kitchen. 1 tablespoon avocado, 1 teaspoon honey, a splash of aloe gel. Blend it, apply for 20 minutes, rinse with cool water. The fatty acids feed your strands, the honey locks in hydration, and the aloe calms the cuticle. Dry with a microfiber towel or a soft cotton t-shirt. No rubbing, just gentle squeezes. For the ultimate finish, add a drop of argan oil to damp hair, and let it work its magic. Try this tonight, and you'll wake up with smoother, shinier hair than you've had in months, all from a few simple pantry ingredients. So, tap that like button, share this with a friend who's battling frizz, and subscribe for more dermatologist and stylist-approved beauty secrets every single week.